Having trouble receiving T-Mobile verification codes? Here's why. T-Mobile, like other carriers, uses enhanced spam filters to block unwanted messages. These filters sometimes mistakenly block legitimate verification codes, especially those sent via short codes, 5 to 6 digit numbers. Short codes, 5 to 6 digit numbers, are often used for verification. Additionally, network congestion, particularly during peak hours, 8 to 10 p.m. ET, can cause delays. Finally, problems with your SIM card or account restrictions could also be the culprit. Understanding these reasons is the first step to fixing the problem. First, check your spam or junk folder in your messaging app. T-Mobile's spam filters sometimes place legitimate verification codes in these folders to prevent scams. Next, ensure short codes aren't blocked in your phone settings. On Android, go to Messages app settings and disable spam protection. On iOS, turn off the filter for unknown senders in Messages settings. Temporarily disable Wi-Fi calling in your phone settings. Wi-Fi calling can sometimes interfere with standard SMS routing, causing verification codes to fail. Toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds or restart your phone. This helps refresh your network connection and can resolve temporary issues with code delivery. In the T-Mobile app, try the Resend code feature. It can diagnose issues like network congestion or SIM problems and attempt to resend the code. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support at 611 for manual code delivery. Alternatively, consider switching to app-based two-factor authentication like Google Authenticator, which is more secure and reliable than SMS. You can also try updating your SIM card at a T-Mobile store. SIM card issues can impact SMS delivery, and a fresh SIM often resolves persistent verification problems.